Hello everyone, let's start our new video. Let's make a sentence. This is my food. This is my food. Ho. This is my food. Good job. This is my food. Outstanding. I was too shy. I was too shy. Ho. I was too shy. I was too shy. Well done. Good job, everyone. They sat under a tree. They sat under a tree. Ho. They sat under a tree. They sat under a tree. Perfect. I want to win. I want to win. Ho. I want to win. I want to win. Perfect. I was tired. I was tired. Hooray! I was tired. I was tired. Fantastic! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I can read well. I can read well. Ho. I can read well. I can read well. Good job, everyone. The dog went away. The dog went away. Hooray! The dog went away. The dog went away. Outstanding. If you want to know someone's name, then you can use this sentence. What is your name? What is your name? Ho. What is your name? What is your name? Collect your special gift. Wow, this gift is amazing for everyone. His face is white. His face is white. Hooray! His face is white. His face is white. Good job. Who are you? Who are you? Ho-ho. Who are you? Who are you? Good job. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.